Welcome to the Hypoallergenic collection. Today we're going to do a homemade lip scrub that will help to reduce the dark pigmentation on your lips, as well as brighten it and also moisturize it. It's like having a lip facial. So for a start, we're going to have 3.5 tablespoons of brown sugar that will help to exfoliate the skin. And then we're going to have 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That will also help to reduce the dark pigmentation on the lips. Then we're going to have 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is also another moisturizing agent which will also reduce the pigmentation. Always use a plastic spoon when you are taking honey so that the properties of honey is not altered. And last but not least, we also have lemon. Lemon is one of those whitening and lightening, skin lightening agent. So we're going to have 5 drops of this. And that's about it. We have made a lip scrub. You just need to mix it well and put it in small containers like this. It will fill about 5 containers of such type. And that's it. It's as easy as that. There, I've already filled my small container with the scrub. Make sure the container is PET or HDPE plastic material that can hold substances with essential oils.